stablecoins the new US dollar, just without the bill? Imagine a form of money that looks like crypto, moves like crypto, but behaves like a dollar. It does not come from the United States Mint, yet you can spend it across continents in seconds. Some people already treat it as the real dollar online, and in certain parts of the world, it is used more often than the national currency. First of all, what are stablecoins exactly? The simplest way to think about them is this. They are digital tokens that are designed to keep the same value as something in the real world, most commonly the US dollar. If one stablecoin represents $1, then the goal is that no matter when you look, it remains worth $1. People hold them because they do not want the price to jump up and down the way Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies do. You can picture it like this. Ordinary cryptocurrencies are like owning a very volatile stock that can go up or down quickly. Stablecoins are more like owning a prepaid card or a digital gift card that keeps its value. You are not trying to get rich from price changes. You are using it because it is practical. But how do they stay stable? Behind the scenes, a company collects real money and holds it in reserve. When someone buys a stablecoin, in theory, there is a matching dollar or a similar safe asset like short-term government bonds stored somewhere to back it. When someone redeems the token, the company gives the money back and destroys the token. The idea is simple. There is always something real behind the number on the screen. This is why many users do not care who issues the coins. They care whether the value stays stable and whether the payment arrives quickly. In practice, a stablecoin is a digital representation of a dollar backed by reserves. It is not replacing the dollar. It is extending it. You could think of it as the dollar learning to use the internet natively rather than through a bank interface built decades ago. Now here is the interesting shift. If digital dollars function smoothly without paper, without banks, and without national borders, then how we think about money changes. Money used to be a physical object that moved from hand to hand. Then it became numbers on a screen managed by institutions. Now it is becoming a transferable digital token that anyone with a phone can hold directly. That does not mean cash is disappearing next year, but it does mean the concept of money is moving closer to software. So stablecoins are not a conspiracy to create a new currency in secret. They are an upgrade to how the existing currency travels. You do not need to use them, but understanding why they exist tells you something important about the future. People want money that moves at the speed of the internet, and sooner or later, the system will evolve to match that expectation. If you enjoyed this clear and grounded look at financial trends, subscribe for more calm and rational breakdowns of the money ideas that shape our everyday lives. Thanks for watching. Simple revenues, finance made simple.